welcome back to the channel again, and in this video today we will be learning about Gits and GitHubs. So let's open a private window so that I can show you. Let's search what is Git. Sorry, not Gut. Git. What is Git? Git is a software, or you can say Git is a open source version control system. Git is a version control system, and GitHub is a place where is a software actually in which we use Git, and GitHub helps us to what do hostings and all. So GitHub, what is GitHub? Let's explore GitHub. Yeah, this is GitHub. See, it has a cool front end actually, back end also so strong. So what should we do today is sign up for a new account of our channel, of our community Supernova. So what is the email? I guess I'm writing correct. 0099@gmail.com. Clear? Creating a password. I did the password. Continue. I am giving a username of SUPERNOVA 90099. Is that available? So let's go. Continue. Type Y. Start the puzzle. Spiral galaxy. Create account. So guys, we're done with our account part, and we need to put one code which is coming to our email, GitHub launch code. So the code is 875388893. Welcome to GitHub. We are glad you are here. How many team members will be working with you? As a teacher, as a student, I will be coming here as a teacher. More than 50 students. Continue. What specific feature you are interested using? Collaborative coding, yeah, obviously. Automation, CI/CD, action packages, APIs, GitHub pages. You guys will be logging in as student because I am showing you my student ID. Security, project management, team administration, community, client apps, not client apps. Okay, so continue. Free. Continue with free. Oh, wow, that was nice. So guys, this is our dashboard. This is our profile, and today we contributed one contribution on November 7th. So guys, you witnessed our official channel, official GitHub page. So guys, I should show you something like I should show you my GitHub. Let's show you GitHub. Yeah, here is my GitHub. This is my profile. Ignore the profile picture. I was trying to be very cool. So I was a pro, and I finally lost my tag, which was for 2 years for free. And I had made my front page like this. See my contribution, very less. I'm not so active in GitHub. I got my repositories. Repositories are like folders in which you can see, that cat animation repository is there, which I had already posted. In this we had HTML and CSS files in which we had codes. Here is the code. So this is GitHub, and I guess you guys have your GitHub account. If you don't have, follow my path and do your GitHub accounts, means make your GitHub accounts, because it's very necessary. And I should show you one thing, that I had made one clone of Amazon Echo just by using Python. Then many things are there, like This one was my first project in very long back. It was HTML and CSS in this project. HTML code was a bit longer, no, it's short, and CSS style.css. This one was a bit longer. Yeah. So this is GitHub for you. I guess you guys should open a GitHub account as fast as possible. And that's it, guys. Thank you for being with me for this whole video. So we'll be meeting you guys in another video another day. Goodbye.